Virtual walkthroughs and multimedia applications. The basic module of our virtual documentation consists of a virtual tour along with 360-degree panorama photos. This basic module can conveniently get enhanced by the module 3D Real-Time and by the module Video. We'll also gladly develop special features for your individual projects. And now, see the functionality of our basic module. Back in 2003, we already documented the building of a combined cycle power plant in Germany with our innovative technology. You are now located at a 360-degree panorama position. The interactive control enables you to rotate around your own axis. You just click into the image and move the mouse to the desired viewing direction. To reach the next location, you simply click onto so-called hotspots within the image. These hotspots are indicated by a white arrow. Especially in complex and highly erected building parts, the full spherical panorama photography has the advantage of perceiving the whole environment, including the upward look with the accuracy of single pixels. The control panel below enables zooming in and out of image details. By pressing the reset button, you return to the original position. One of our special features is the possibility of maintaining the exact viewing angle while going back and forth in time. In this documentation, we shot 14 spherical panoramas at 9 locations of the power plant within 3 years, so that each important stage is comprehensible in retrospect. With the arrow keys beneath the date prompt, you gradually get back or forth in time. You can use the menu for larger steps in time. To obtain a precise overview, the interactive 3D map can be activated. Your exact position is indicated by the blinking ball. You now have the option to freely move the whole facility. You can also zoom in or choose another location. Summary. Spherical 360-degree panoramas. They give unlimited views to all directions. Position changes by hotspots within the image enable intuitive movements throughout the area. Interactive 3D survey maps for a precise overview and total control. Date changes enable to alter the date for a perfect description of the construction progress or earlier states. The basic module offers reliable technology to visualize complex industry plants and areas. Use this clear structure for your progress conferences or building instructions. The high image quality also unfolds lasting effects for your public relations. With our additional module 3D, the functionality of the basic module becomes massively enhanced. This edition enables unlimited opportunities for transporting information and to outline complex connections. Pre-visualization. Even before the first construction steps, a 3D element can be embedded into the real environment. To evaluate the impression of the object before constructing it, the 3D technology offers a solid basis for presentations and evaluation purposes. Constructions can be faded in gradually in real time. It is possible to change the object's visual angle or even the color at any time to clarify the complex layout possibilities as fast and comprehensible as possible. Interactive 3D animations. Right here, the turbine shall be installed, but very often installations are only freely accessible in a short period of time. For instance, the turbine is perfectly visible on this single day. On the next date, it is hidden by an encapsulation. If you want to offer in-depth information, the 3D technology is perfectly suited for the revelation of complex designs. The turbine fits exactly into the panorama and it stays at its place even when the perspective changes. Discover the object by intuition. Our integrated 3D animations offer boundless freedom and great capabilities for efficient education and practice, for presentations up to dismantlement and maintenance instructions. Interactive 3D walkthrough. 360-degree panoramas project the environment photorealistically, but they are bound to defined locations. With the integration of a 3D walkthrough, you obtain the ideal combination of real photos and total freedom of the 3D technology. Study every corner of the power plant. Whether you go or fly, it's your choice. Summary. Pre-visualization before the building process starts as the basis for layout issues or for the visualization of prototypes. Interactive 3D animations to illustrate complex objects for didactic or presentation purposes. Interactive 3D walkthrough. It expands the application to total freedom of movement. With the video module, your presentation gains the possibility of showing people at work or illustrating interesting processes. Integrated video. Videos can be played directly within the application. By opening a window, the video, which is connected to the respective 360-degree photo, is loading automatically. You can choose another video at any time by using the list on the right. It is also possible to integrate license-free music or speech recordings. Zoom time-lapse. Usually, time-lapse shooting is static. We, however, produce in very high resolution, so in post-processing we are able to insert exciting tracking shots and zoom effects. By these effects, you can direct the attention of the viewer to the desired part and keep the time-lapse very attractive for quite a long time. 360-degree video slideshow. We provide a completely new impression with our animated 360-degree video slideshows. In 45 seconds you acquire a round overview of each single building stage of the entire construction period. Your company presentations in visitor centers or on trade fairs become a real eye-catcher. Summary. Integrated video joins together movement and process visualization in your infotainment application. With our Zoom time-lapse feature, you focus on essential key elements of your event. The effect of a 360-degree video slideshow is amazing, a revolutionary kind of time-lapse. Right now, we are designing additional features that will, for instance, realize interactive 3D video conferences. Do you have additional ideas? Do you want to go even further? We are looking forward to developing individual functions for your project.